Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to make an audio call with a friend on Snapchat using the latest app update. Snapchat keeps things simple, but if you haven't used the calling feature before, it might not be obvious where to start. Don't worry, just follow along and you'll be calling your friends in seconds. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings and options are located. Next, scroll a little if needed and tap on My Friends. This will open your full friends list, showing everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Now, find the friend you want to call. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. Once you find them, tap on their name to open your chat conversation. Inside the chat screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see a phone icon, which is the audio call button. Simply tap on that icon, and Snapchat will immediately start calling your friend. If your friend is available, they'll be able to pick up right away and you can start talking instantly.